Hey, what's happening? So in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how the Lead Lightning 2.0 system works with AI. And this is part of the system. System is completely done for you. It's only $7. It's designed to help you grow any business you like by building a list of buyers. So the way this works is you pay $7 to get started with this system. It's going to pay you $6 commissions over and over and over again. And it's designed to build that buyers list because once you have a buyer, someone pays $7, buyers typically come back and buy again. That's just the way it works. Even if you only had a dollar offer, you'd be way better off having a dollar buyer than a bunch of people that sign up for free. It's just a different psychology. So the system is very simple. This is how it works. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the AI workflow. I just want to show some of the bullet points here. Turn a $7 one-time payment into daily leads and instant $6 commissions. So the AI follows up and closes your sales for you. Done for you traffic delivers fresh leads. So there are traffic sources in the system that you can use, both free and paid. Builds your list and grows your primary business because this is what this does is it's going to market both lead lightning, but it's also going to market your primary business because you're building an asset, you're building a list, you're building a list of buyers that you can market to anything you want to them. There's zero monthly fees. It's a one-time $7, pays you unlimited $6 commissions. And then if you choose to go and upgrade to called the Power Lead system, it's been in operation for 12 years. It's paid me six figures. You can earn up to $1,500 commissions on the back end of this. Of course, it's optional, but highly recommended. So this is how it works. Go to the link in my description of my video. Go ahead and get this for $7 if you want it. And once you do, first you're going to enter your email. I'm just going to walk you through what it looks like. You can enter your email. You're going to click the yes, let me in. This is the little reg page they got in here. And then it comes to the sales page. Okay, so here's the sales page. Watch the video all about it, how it works, read through the text. Whenever you're ready, click the button and you can sign up and get started for just $7. Okay. What you're going to get is a back office that looks just like this. Actually, this is the back office that you're going to get. So you're going to log in uh, and it's going to have a nice video here. It's going to explain what to do next. We want to follow these 3 steps. You want to enter in if you have your own business, you want to enter that in right here. And from there, you have your lead lightning capture page, which is ready to go, as I said. So I'm just going to click on that link and show you what I'm talking about. It's ready to go. There's zero setup. This is ready to market as is. Now, this one looks a little different than the one I have, but they go to the same place. Okay. I do have what's called Power Lead System, and in Power Lead System, you can change things up, customize things, and all that. What this does, it's very simple. It's very easy. It takes zero time to set up. As you just saw, like here's the capture page. You're ready to go. You're ready to go market. You can go market this right now using free methods, paid methods, however you want. You can start marketing right away. If you want just the sales page, you can come down to here and you can grab that sales page. It's ready to go. So if you're sharing this with someone and they want some information, you can send the sales page. And that's really all you need to know. There is like training and other stuff in here, and they walk you through everything in this video. The other thing that's really cool about this, one, you can call the owner, Neil Guess. You can schedule an appointment, coaching call with him, and he will answer your questions and help you out. I think that's really awesome. And then right here, if you want to supercharge your system, it's going to lead to this page, which is going to talk about a brand new product that we have. It's called AI Automation Academy. This is a live training. So once a month, live training on different topics in the AI space. So far, we've had You in a Box and AI for Music, where you can make music using AI and you can go and actually monetize that music. And you can make it as much as you want. So that's pretty cool. Next one up is the AI podcast. And as you can see, there's just, there's 12 different classes, and then I'm going to start it all over again. These are live. So you watch the presenter, the teacher, to walk you through and show you exactly what to do. This is him right here, Jeff Mills. He owns his own AI business, so he really knows this stuff. And he walks you through step by step. Let's just say you're doing the music one, okay? So you're going to watch him talk about the benefits of making your own music, how you use it in your marketing. He's going to show you examples. Then he's going to talk about how to do it. He's going to show you how to do it. And then what's going to happen, which is pretty unique and like no other place I've seen, uh, you can they're going to break up into groups. So you're going to break up into groups, you're going to work with other people and create your own music or whatever the topic is for that day. You're going to come back and show and tell. Okay, so this is how you really learn. As a former teacher, we'd use groups all the time. You teach a concept and you put your students in groups and they work together uh, to enforce that concept. So that's what's going on here. I really haven't seen it in the online space where you break out into groups and you work together on a project. I really haven't seen that. And this is only 45 bucks and it pays $35 residual commissions, unlimited levels deep and wide. Okay, so this is this is this is high value. It's in right now. So this is all brand new. It's what's hot now. AI is the talk, everybody wants AI. Um, in some, and if they don't, they will. Okay, because it's not going anywhere. So you might as well get ahead of it and grab this product. So anyway, that's what's in there. And you could, like I said, you could even unlock $1,500 commissions, all the way up to $1,500 commissions. Okay, so that's what this system's all about. It's about helping you build a buyer's list for any company you want. You can market anything you want, making some money on the front end. So $6 commissions, which helps, with your traffic cost. And then having the option of upgrading and earning residual and high ticket income as well, all from this little $7 funnel, pay $6 commissions. Okay, I'm gonna go over, let me see, is it this one? No, I made it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play this video. And, I was gonna try to do a slideshow and show you all this, but I think it's best just to watch the video so you understand the workflow, like the power of this for a little $7 product. It's pretty incredible. So here we go. This is Neil Guest, the owner of Power Lead System, our Lead Lightning, sharing with you the whole AI workflow, how it works in your advantage to get upgrade. Okay. And here we go.
With all of your buyers. So I showed you the campaign that the buyers get. This is it right here. And so a very well done buyer campaign. One of the emails within that buyer campaign, again, encourages them to schedule a one-on-one with myself. So it's going to be myself and other coaches that are going to be making personal phone calls to all of your buyers. And obviously, those include one-on-ones that are scheduled with our AI David as well. So whether they schedule a one-on-one or not, we are going to be contacting all of your buyers with a personal phone call. But look what happens when you create a buyer, because this is powerful. We are unleashing AI technology, AI automation onto every one of your buyers free of charge on our dime. And let's just take a look at what this looks like. It's going to start out with an SMS. Let's just see what this looks like here. Hello, first name. It's David from Lead Lightning. Congratulations. We've just sent you a welcome email with your login details. Over the next few days, I'll be sharing some powerful insights on how you can maximize your new business venture. So this is absolutely incredible. So what I'm going to do is I just want to scroll down and show you some of these. Let's go ahead and cancel this. And I want to show you this incredible workflow that all of your buyers get. So you've got the SMS right away that they get a nice welcome. And obviously the emails are coming from our best server, by the way. They're getting their login details and everything else. Another SMS. They're getting voicemail drops. And their voicemail drops are telling them to go back and to log into their account and basically to upgrade. And all throughout this campaign, inside these text messages, they are being sent the exact version of that sales page that you just saw. The only difference is there's login buttons on it. And so they're being sent throughout this campaign, this workflow, messages that has a link to the AI Automation Academy sales page, but it has login buttons, which brings them back to their very own Lead Lightning account so they can log in and they can upgrade to this incredible offer that we're giving them. It's a 1 week free trial, and then it's only $99 per month. So this is just a very incredible workflow. As you can see, there's text messages, voicemail drops, all throughout this entire campaign, going on for at least 2 weeks. And after that 2 weeks is over, you'll see a text message goes out there on day 14. And another voicemail. And let's check out this SMS. You've seen what the system offers. It's ready for you. Just go to your account, secure your spot, and that is going to bring them again back to that AA sales page, AI automation sales page, which is going to encourage them to log in and upgrade. And so look at this. This is 30 days later. We actually send them another SMS as another reminder that they've still got this incredible opportunity at their fingertips. Another SMS 30 days after that. So that is an incredible AI follow-up workflow. And that entire campaign, that entire workflow is free of charge on our dime. We take care of that for you. So let's basically end with why it's going to be so important for them to upgrade. And
Okay, so there you go from the owner himself, Neil, walking you through the AI workflow. It's absolutely incredible, right? And on top of that, they are calling your buyers. So either Neil, the owner, or a coach is calling your buyers, talking to them, helping them out, and really encouraging them to position themselves to earn more money. That's really the idea here. So, and this is all working for you. Again, this is a little $7 funnel that helps you grow any business you want. It adds additional residual income, even high ticket income, all while you're still growing your list and you're building whatever business it is you want. That's what this is about. It's powerful. Again, $7 gets you started. Go ahead and go to the link in my description if you like what you see and get started. With that, make it a great day, and I will see you next time.